Chalo, sir. So again, very good evening to everyone, and I hope I'm audible as well as visible to everyone. So here I am today with the live mock analysis for this week. And just a quick confirmation from everyone if I'm audible, visible, if you guys can hear me, see me clearly. If I'm audible, visible to everybody. So this is the first question, and let's start with the mock. This is the first question. So first is, what is the difference? So DI question, a very simple table. Difference between total number of t-shirts sold 2019. T-shirts 2019 meaning this column. Difference they're asking, total number of t-shirts and jeans by brand C. Acha, meaning sir this. Difference between this. Acha. You can either take the sum and then take the difference, but again, we will try to do the minimal calculation. So first things first, you see this 499 cancels from both the sides because this is the common part. This is the common part. What extra can we do? Chalo, let's try this. Sir, this 422, acha 541 minus 522. So that is 19. Plus 19, I'm taking C is greater than this, greater than t-shirts. Acha, 454 minus 356. That means 44 here and 54 here. 54 and 44 is 98, sir. Okay, plus. Done. Then take this 428 to 77. So 23 will be this 220, sorry, 128 and 23. So 11, 1, 5, 1, 151. So this is 170, 270, 268, sir. And sir, these two, 6 and 1100. And sir, 44 and 16 meaning sir, 60, 61. So 9, 12, 13, 14. 1429 will be the answer. 1429 should be the answer. Let's see. 1429, you see option C. Done. Now again, if we had gone for the whole sum, it would have taken us a little more time. So we could have saved a little bit of time over here. We could have saved a little bit of time over here. First question, done, understood. Let's move on to the next one. HCF. Sir, HCF means common part. Common part. So chalo, acha, let me just zoom it a little bit. Chalo. Sir, 2 to the power 5 to the power 7 to the power 3. So what is the least common? Sir, 2 cube. Then 3 square to the power 6 to the power 8. Least is square. Sir, 5 to the power 8 square, square. So 5 square. So this is your HCF. Sir, 5 square, 25 into sir 9 into sir 8. 25, this is sir 200. 9, 1800 will be the answer. 1800 option C is the correct answer. Again, very simple, as you guys can see. Not a difficult question. The second one is as well. Next one, sir. Length and breadth of a cardboard reduced by this change in area. Okay. Sir, again, you can use AB theorem, you can use multiple things. Let's use AB theorem. Sir, 8 and 7. So minus 8, minus 7, minus plus 8 into 7 by 100. So 7 and 8 is 15. Sorry, minus 15 plus 0.56. So that means minus 14.44% reduction. Sir, option D has 14.44%. That's your answer. Again, 10 seconds, that's all three questions. First three questions should not take you combined like a minute, more than a minute. Again, fourth question also, it seems it's very simple. So 24 into 8, this is 24 into 2. That means 24 into 6, 144, 12. 12 and 69. 12 and 69 is 81. That is 9, sir. 112 plus 9, 121. The answer is 11. Option A. Again 10 seconds, sir. Again 10 seconds. Done, 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 done. You see how I'm calculating, how I'm trying to calculate. Please try to understand. Anywhere you get stuck, please let me know. Perimeter, similar triangles given. Acha. Sir, similar triangles. PQ and AB given. ABC and PQR. Acha, AB is corresponding to PQ. So that means triangle ABC, perimeter, perimeter of triangle ABC by perimeter of triangle PQR, the ratio of that will be equal to the ratio of the sides, the corresponding sides. ABC corresponding is AB, PQR corresponding is PQ, which is 9.75 divided by 5.85. Get rid of this. Sir, 5 say 5 11s are 55, 5 7s are this. 5 say 5 19s are 95. Sir, 5 5s are this. Sir, this is so 13 se jayega, right? 13 9s are this, 13 1s are this, 5s are this. 3 3s are this, 3 5s are this. 5 ratio 3. And perimeter is given. Perimeter of ABC is x plus 9. Perimeter of this is x minus 6.6. That is given as 5 by 3. Just cross multiply. 5x minus 33 becomes 3x plus 27. So 2x is 60, x is 30, sir. X is 30. They are asking x only. Option B, 30 is the correct answer. Option B, 30 is most definitely your correct answer. You see, done and dusted, sir. Not a very difficult question. Not a very difficult question, sir. Right? Now again, what is this? What exactly is this? Sum of the lengths of all the edges of a cube is given. Sphere is inscribed. Sir, how many edges in a cube? Sir, 12. 12A is 96. Sir, A is 8. So some like every dimension of a cube is 8. Done. First. Sir, a sphere is inscribed. Sir, please understand, when a sphere, try to visualize. When a sphere is inside a cube, that means diameter of the cube is equal to one of the dimensions of the, diameter of the sphere is one of the dimensions of the cube, which is 8. So radius of that cube, or sorry, I'm saying cube, radius of the sphere will be 4, sir. Because dimension is diameter, 8 is diameter, radius is half, 4. Done. Sir, volume will be 4 by 3 into pi into r cube. R cube is 4 cube, 64. Acha, pi is 3.14. 3.14, I cannot take 22 by 7, sir. They want us to calculate like crazy. Okay. Karna padega, sir, because options are also very, very close. We cannot do any approximation as I can see. Chalo karte kya kare. Sir, this is 256 into 3.14 by 3. So it will be just greater than 256, but again, you see all the options are similar. All the options are also similar. Sir, 750, 768 plus 0.14. 0.14 means 1 by 7 actually. 1 by 7, that much also I don't think we should do. Chalo 1 by 7 karte. Let's see where we end up. So 7 3s are 21, 46, 36 point something, 36 let's take. 6, 12, 14, 1, that is 10, 1, 8. 804 divided by 3, sir. 326 are 78, 3 8s are this, 268, 268 close to, sir, there is this option which is very close to 268. Very, very close to 268. I will go for this. I will definitely go for this. Yes, this is the correct answer. But again, it is a little tricky to calculate. The option should not be given this close. Honestly, I'm with you guys on this. I am with you guys on this. Achha. Next question, again, they have made up for it by giving you a very simple but conceptual question. Again, if you want to do it normally, very like all the very best. But again, you will get stuck. What you can do? You see, there are two ways to go. Most like the common method 999 plus this. But I will suggest you to go in the opposite direction. 1000 minus 5 by 999, can I say this? Into sir 999. So 999 into 1000, 999 into sir. एक second, have I made any error? Just a second, just a second. 1000 minus 5, 1. No, sir, nothing. Sir, this is 999 into 000 minus 5, sir. So last May, I have done something wrong. I must have done something wrong. I must have done something wrong. क्या गलत किया मैंने? अरे, this should be 4. देखा? अरे, sorry. This should be 4. I have written 5. This should be 4 because नीचे 999 है ना. So 4 by this, then only it satisfies na. And so this is 4. So last me you see option, you don't even need to calculate. So my unit digit has to be 6 in this case. Just look for the option. There is only one option having unit digit 6, which is this one. So that's my answer. That is my answer. That is most definitely my correct answer, sir. You see, option B. Perfect. Next one, sir. Next one. What is the area of the largest triangle that can be fitted? Rectangle, length L, width W. Sir, rectangle like this. Sir, the triangle can be fitted in two ways. Either, sir, like this, the length is the base, height is the width, or you can say, no, sir, I want to do it like this. So this is your base, the width, and length is the height. Both actually will give you the same area. These two have the same area. Why? Sir, if I take this as your base, L, so half into L is the base and height is W. Here also half into W is the base and height is L. So in both situations, the area is half WL. Half WL, sir, option D. That's your correct answer. That is most definitely your correct answer. You see, you don't need to do much here. You do not need to do much here. That's your correct answer. That is most definitely your correct answer, sir. Next one, sir. Intercept. Which intercept? X-intercept. X-intercept you can figure out in two ways. Either by doing shortcut or by doing the whole thing. Again, if you want concept you can, for concept you can do, sir, write it in the intercept form. Intercept form means this constant you take it to that side. And right hand side should be 1, so divide by 140. So x by 4 plus y by 5 becomes 1. Meaning I have divided both the sides by 140, sir. So whatever is under x, that's your answer. That is x-intercept. Whatever is under y, that is your y-intercept. This is called intercept form. So C is your correct answer. This is one way. The other way, sir, if they are asking for x-intercept, always put, remember, sir, on x-axis, y is always 0. So put y is 0. So this term is not there. So equation is 35x is equal to 140. So x is 4, sir. That's also one way. Now, if they want, sir, want you to find y-intercept, so for that, put x equal to 0. So in that case, 28y would have been 140. So y would have been 5. That's your y-intercept. But again, for this question, the answer will be option C. Done. Clear, everyone? Clear, sir? Let's move on. Sir. Again, simple fraction. Simple fraction, sir. Sir, let's do this. Let me write it down. 2 plus 5 by, so I'm just writing everything. Root 9 means 3 minus 9 by 7 minus 1 by 4. 7 minus 1 by 4 is what? So this is 27 by 4. 7 fours are 28 minus 1, 27 by 4. So 27 by 4 means 4 by 27. 9, this is 3. Again, 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 means 5 by 3, sir. 5 by 3 means 3 by 5. The answer is 2 plus 3, that is 5. The answer is 2 plus 3, that is 5, which is option number D, sir. Which is option number D. That's your answer. Again, interest question. Interesting question on interest. 23,000 principal, certain rate, 8 years amounts to this. Simple interest? Yes, sir, simple interest. Okay, sir, let's calculate the rate of interest. Sir, how much is the interest? 23,000 becoming 43 to like 240. So interest is 20,240 rupees in 8 years. So every year the interest is by 8. Calculate, sir. 8 twos are 16, 42, 5 eights are this, 3 eights are this, 25, 30 rupees per year. So rate of interest? So 23 11s are this. So rate of interest is very simple, 11%. You see, 23 into 11 is this. Very simple, you can see. You can see this very simply. 23 into 11 is 253. So 11% ho gaya. Now, same sum of money, same rate compounded annually for 2 years. What is the interest on earned on CI? Okay. No worries. Interest on CI, sir. Okay. So 23,000, 11%. So let's use tree method. Sir, first year, second year. Sir, 11% of this, meaning every year I'll get 2530, 2530, 2530. Extra will be what? Extra will be 11% of this first year. Sir, iska 11%. Sir, iska 10% is 253. 1% is 25.3. Done. So the answer will be 5,060 rupees, meaning 2530, 2530 plus 253 plus 25.3. Sir, 8.3. So last में 8.3, 8.3 option B has 8.3 at the end. That is your answer. You see, I don't need to calculate. Again, you can like shorten it even further just by looking at this 0.3. There is only one option I can see once I look at the options ending in 0.3. So that has to be your correct answer. You do not need to do anything for that. Done. Done, sir. Sir, moving on. Median of the numbers in ascending order is 76. Ek second, ruko. I cannot see the first number. Yep. 56, 68, 70, this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers. Acha. Then median will be these two. Average of these two will be median, sir. Acha, that is given as 76. Acha. That means 3m minus 8 plus 70, meaning plus 62 by 2. This is your median given as 76. So I'll get the value of m. So 3m by 2 plus 31, it is 76. So 3m by 2, it is going to be how much? Sir, 40, 45, I guess. Right? Sir, 45, yeah. So this is 15. So m is 30, sir. Acha, don't put the value of m calculation because they are asking mean. I will figure out first the mean normally. Normally, let's figure out the total. Normally, let's figure out the total, sir. So that is, sir, 68 and 92. So 90 and 70, 160 plus 56. 160 and 56 is 16 and 21, 216, sir. 216 plus 70, 286. 286. 2m, 3m, meaning sir plus 5m. And sir, plus 25 minus 8, meaning sir plus 18 actually. Plus 17, sorry. Yeah, today. Sir 7, 6, 13, 1, 0, 1. Sir 3 plus 5m. Sir 5m, now you put the value of m. That is 150. M is 30. 150, 303. 453. इतना गंदा आएगा. ठीक है, no worries. So they are asking the mean. Mean means by 6. So mean will be, sir, by 6. So 6 से 6 sevens are 42. 42. अच्छा, a 1 sec. अच्छा, चलो 6 sevens are 42. 33, अच्छा सर 75.5. वही आ रहा है ना? Because I can see 42, 33, 5.5. Yeah. Sir, option A is the correct answer. I just got blank. Took much longer in the calculation. Sir, option A is the answer. Next one, sir. Next one. Chalo, moving on. If a person travels at this speed instead of this, okay, meaning if the person's speed increases by 3 kilometers per hour, he would cover 45 kilometers more. Acha. Actual distance. Sir, it's very simple. Sir, can anyone tell me for how much time he is actually traveling? If the increment in speed is 3 kilometers per hour, he is covering 45 kilometers more. Meaning, increment in speed means what? Meaning, every hour he is traveling 3 kilometers more. So, in how many hours he will travel 45 kilometers more? You will say that that will be done in 15 hours. Meaning, the duration of journey is 15 hours. He is running or he is traveling for 15 hours. He is traveling for 15 hours. So actual distance covered will be how much, sir? 15 hours into time into his actual speed, which is 72. So 72 into 10 is 720, into 5 is 360. That means, sir, 1080 kilometer is the answer, sir. 1080, option number D is the correct answer. That is most definitely is your correct answer. Avijit, yes, you are absolutely correct, brother. Again, moving on, sir. Moving on to the next one. Chalo. Probability of selecting a painter from a group of painters, singers, and dancers is 1 by 3. Probability of selecting a painter. Probability of selecting a painter. It is 1 by 3. While selecting a singer, it is 7 by 15. Okay. Total 56 singers. Okay, acha. Wait a second. In these situations, what you will do? Sir, please understand, whatever you do, sir, the denominator must be the same. Denominators must be the same, sir. Denominators must be the same, everyone. Yes or no? Why? Because we are selecting from the same group. Total number of persons, meaning painters, singers, dancers together, that is constant. So think like this. Don't think this as 1 by 3. It is 7 by 15. Na? Think it as 5 by 15. 7 by 15. So again, I don't think we'll need this. But again, dancers is what? Sorry, dancers. Probability of selecting dancers. Meaning in the 15-member group, total there are 15 members. I'm assuming their painters are 5. Singers are 7. So dancers are how many? 12 gone, so 3. So this will be 3 by 15 actually. This is the gist. Now they are asking what? This is parts, not exactly 15 painters, 15 units of painters. Think like this. Sorry, 15 units of people. Now the actual numbers are given. If total 56 singers are there, meaning 7 parts singers, this is equal to 56. Now number of painters they are asking. So what is the value of 5 parts that is they are asking? Sir, this is 1 part is into 8. 7 8s are 56. So your answer will also be 5 into 8, that is 40. That is your actual answer, option number D. Now in this question they could have asked, what is the better question would have been, how many, the number of dancers. So in that case, what would have been your answer? So dancers are 3 units, so it would have been 3 into 8, which is 24. If they had asked this as the question, then 24 would have been your correct answer. But in this case, option D, 40, is most definitely your answer. Hopefully this is clear, sir. Hopefully this is clear to everyone. Please feel free to ask me if there is any doubts. If there are any doubts, please feel free to ask. Clear? Achha. Loss at selling price of this equals 40. Achha, selling. Sir, always. Two selling prices, 14,000, 21,000. There is a loss at this selling price, there is a profit at this selling price. Meaning, sir, CP is somewhere in the middle, sir. CP is somewhere in the middle, sir. Now think what they have told you. Sir, CP minus this SP, this is a loss. This gap is your loss. And from this CP to this 21,000 SP, this gap is your profit, sir. Think visually. You see, the entire concept will be clear. Now, this is given. They are saying this loss is 40% of the gain. Meaning, if this gain is 100, this loss is 40. Meaning, this ratio is 2:5. So, this total gap is 7,000 rupees. 14,000 and 21,000. This ratio is 2:5. Meaning, can I say this is 2,000 rupees, this is 5,000 rupees? CP, either you do 14,000 plus 2,000, you get to CP, that is 16,000. Or you do 21,000 minus 5,000, you again get to CP, 16,000. You can get to the answer in any way. That means the answer in this case is option number A, which is 16,000 rupees. Good, like very good way of thinking. Again, you see, I'm not using any formulas, nothing. I'm just using a few concepts. Concepts means ways of thinking. That's all. That's all. Chalo. Next one. Puja. Sorry. Puja and Raghav invested 50 and 40. This. Okay. Puja and Raghav investment ratio, sir, 5:4. 50,000, 40,000. Pooja is entitled to this much salary, managing partner, active partnership. 2,000 from year's profit taken before division. Understand. If this wording is not there, taken before division, then also always remember salaries will go before always division. This is the simple rule of business. Even if this is not given in clear terms, then also always you divide you give away all the expenditures, salaries, sometimes donations, everything will be done first. Then whatever remains from there, the partners will kind of divide among themselves. Now, total profit 132. Out of that, 2,000 per month, meaning in the whole year, 24,000 gone. So how much remaining? 1,08,000 rupees. This will get divided between Pooja and Raghav. How much will Raghav receive? Raghav will receive 4 parts out of 4 plus 5, 9 parts of 1,08,000. So 9 12s are 108. So that is 4 12s are 48. So Raghav will get 48,000 rupees, which is option number E. Which is most definitely option number A, sir. I hope this is clear. I hope this is 100% clear, sir. Sir, again, next one, trigonometry, associated angles. Chalo, 51, sir. Second quadrant, 0 is the answer. Again, you'll say, sir, how did you do? Sir, please understand, 129. I can see this is sec 180 degree minus 51 degrees, sir. Now, 180 minus 51, sir, I told you, anything from x-axis, sec will remain sec. Cosec will remain cosec, tan will remain tan, sine will remain sine. So sec will remain sec, 51 degree. Now second quadrant, cos and sec are minus, negative, sir. So cos 51 into sec 51 cancels, this is minus 1. Whereas the same thing will happen here. This cosec will become cosec like 46 degree, but second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive. So this will give you plus 1. So this plus 1 and this minus 1 will cancel and your answer will become 0, sir. The answer will become 0. Now, if you can do these couple of steps in your mind, you will say, I don't need pen and paper for this question. Done. Done, sir. Topper ne 60 seconds le liya. It should not have taken 60 seconds. Now, the string is this much long. Angle is 60. Okay, sir. So this is 458, 60 degree, 250, 229 root 3. Ye dekho option C answer. Why, sir? This is 2 units. Opposite to 60 root 3 units. This is 1 unit. So they are asking height of the kite. So opposite, that means root 3 units. Meaning, please understand, in simpler words, they are asking 2 units is equal to, simpler terms, 2 units is equal to this much. What is the value of root 3 units, the height? Sir, it will be, sir, how much? 458 by 2. This is 1 unit. Root 3 units is root 3. So this is 229 into root 3, which is option number C, sir. Which is there in option number C. Again, today's question is very simple. At least till now. At least till now, for the first 18 question, I felt it is very simple. And again, this question also looks very simple. This question also, 75% of the operating income. अरे सर ये भी simple है. A branch currently spends, sir, income, expenditure, and sir, savings. Okay. Sir, income 100 rupees. Sir, 75%, meaning 75 rupees they spend. Okay. 44 है ना. अच्छा, let's do one thing. Let's assume a little cleverly. 75% means 3/4. So I'm taking income is 400 rupees. Expenditure is 300, 3/4 of this. So savings is 100 rupees. Why? Because so I don't want to deal with any fractions. Everything I'll do will be integer. So income 44%. 44 into 4, meaning, sir, 176 rupees. So this income will become 576 rupees. Expenditure rises by 20. 320 is 60. Meaning, sir, it will become 360 rupees. Sir, what will become of the savings, sir? Income minus expenditure will give you savings. So this is 216 rupees. Sir, from 100 rupees, it will become 216 rupees. So how much increment? 116 rupees increment out of 100 rupees, meaning 116% increment. Option C is your correct answer. Option C is most definitely your correct answers. Right? Acha. This is the next question. Acha, just give me a second now. Just give me a second. Just turned on a little bit of fan. Because this. Acha, is the sound too much? Can you guys hear it? Is the sound too much? Just a second now. It's not too much, right? Then let it be, because it's I'm not turned on the AC today because बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है आज. But that's why I'm sweating, and I'm under medicine because of painkillers na, so I'm sweating a little bit more. Achha. Next one. Calculate the length of 5 millimeter. Achha, everything is centimeter. This is millimeter, meaning by 10. So this is half a centimeter radius. Sir, volume equal to volume. Sir, volume is 2 into 7 by 2 into 11. 3.5, it's 7 by 2. It is equal to pi 22 by 7. Because please understand, radius where meaning this is a cylinder, sir. This is a cylinder, right? So ultimately pi r square each, r is 1 by 2, meaning r square is 1 by 4 into h. H I don't know, I need to find. Length is that h, height. Just calculate, sir. 2 cancels. 11 2s are this, 2, this is 2, sir. And I don't think I can do anything. So this will be just multiply 98. 98 centimeter, option number D. 98 centimeter, option number D. That's your answer. It's a very simple question. Very, very, very simple questions. Pata nahi aaj. Achha, this looks a good question. They are asking what? Find acha, area of the circular area. This is a good question. This is then a good question. Okay. We will require a theorem here, I guess. Let's see. I'm not 100% sure. I have to do the question. Then only I can say whether we need this. Couple of theorems. This is 90 degree. That's why we need this. MR is given. MR is 5 centimeters. RN 4 centimeters. PR 10 centimeters. First of all, I need this RQ. How to figure this out? Sir, the basic chord property, first property of chord almost. So this into this, 5 into 4 is 10 into this, sir, that is RQ. So from there, RQ will be 2, sir. Sir, there is one simple property, please understand. In one of the foundation batches, I've shown you the proof as well. Proof is a little on the lengthier side. You have to join the like with the center every point, every end point. So the proof is you will require the theorem I was talking about. The theorem is not the proof. It is mr square plus pr square plus nr square plus qr square. It is equal to 4r square. This is the relation. When does it happen? When there are two perpendicularly intersecting chords. If there are two perpendicularly intersecting chords inside a circle, then you can say this is something that gets satisfied. You see, I've taken 4 such segments. Square of the sum of the squares is always equal to 4 times r square. Think like this, or I always ask you guys to remember it like this. Remember it like this. Sir, something will be more, meaning, think, sir, if you, let's say, if you join this, these two are the diameters. So then all these 4 segments are equal, sir. But here the segments are not equal. Here the segments are not equal. Right? Here the segments are not equal. Here they are equal, and they are equal to r, 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 r. But again, if you take them r square, r square, r square, r square. But please understand, here AMR is greater than r. But whatever much it is greater, this is that much less. Whatever much it is greater, that is that much less. Why that happens? Please understand. अच्छा मैं दिखाई देता हूँ. Let's say this is A. चलो I'm just showing you the proof. This is A. This much is A. So MR is what? MR, the length of MR, that is R plus A, sir. This much is R plus A. Clear? R plus A, I'm just supposing. Similarly, you can say this will be R minus A. Though it is not exactly R minus A, you need to like draw a little bit more. I'm just showing you, just understand the concept. So you can use, when you use this MR plus, sorry, NR. So R plus A whole square plus R minus A whole square. From there you can like cancel out. Okay, I'm just giving you the concept. But not exactly, the proof doesn't exactly come like this. You have to join these points. वैसे आता है exact proofs. Exact the proofs, all 4 points you join, you will get the proof. But now, if you understand this much, you just put the values. Because all 4 values now you know, 10, 4, 5, 2. So just put it, 100, 16, 25, 4. 4 R square, sir. So 100 plus this is 45. R square becomes 145 by 4, sir. Acha, nearest to the whole number. Acha, I don't need R because they are asking the area. Na? So area will be 22 by 7 into R square. R square is given as this. Jitna ho sake kar do, sir. 2. This is 11. This is almost 21. Let's not cancel this 2. 21 into 11 is how much? 231 by 2. Let's take this 230. 115 ke aspas. Very, very close to 115, sir. Very, very close to 115. 114 is there. So that has to be the answer. That has to be the answer, sir. Okay? Perfect. Chalo. Arey, sorry. Mistake. And this is not the answer, okay? I've mistakenly, let's just put that. Ratio of 2 numbers, 7:8, 10 is subtracted. Acha. So let's do it now. Using, you see, this is something we can do by that age concept. Age ka questions, because 2 ratios are given. So just match the ratios. Largest number, it has to be a multiple of 8. So multiple of 8, sir, 150 cannot be the answer, 110 cannot be the answer. Option A or D. Now, 13 and 17 multiple, second one. 10 subtracted. So if you take 10 subtracted, so let's take, if I take 160, meaning sir 8 parts is 160. 7 parts will be 140. 10 subtracted means yehi hoga, sir. And this is, and 10 is added to the subsequent 170. So 13:17. You see, that's your answer, option 1. Option A is your correct answer. Can you guys see this? Everyone, everybody. Again, if you want, you see, 8 multiple meaning possible answers are option A and D. Again, now if you add 10 is subtracted from this, so I'm going with the first option. So 8 parts is 160. So 7 parts must be 140, sir. Now if 10 is subtracted from the first one, that is 130, and 10 is added to the second one, so the ratio becomes 13:17, which is matching with my question. So that means first one itself has to be my answer. Perfect, everyone? Perfect, sir? Chalo. Next question, please. Next question ke taraf chalte hain, sir. This is, sir, take whatever you can take common. 5 to the power 54 I can take common. So 1 plus 5 plus 5 square 25 plus 125. 156. Now I need to check with the options. I now need to check with the options. 156. 156 means 33 say 52. 52 means 4 into, so 2 into 2 into 13. 13. 13 multiple is 91, but I need 7. 7 to hai nahi? No. 91 is not Possible 17 is not there. 51, 73. 250 is the only possible answer. 250 hai? Sir, sir, 250. Because you see, why 250 is the answer? Sir, I have 54 fives. Take any number of fives. So if you take 3 fives, you will get 125. With 125, you only need 2 to get to 250. You have that 2 here. You see, 2 is there. There are 2 2s. You just need 1. So you have 250. So you can get to 250. So again, that's the answer. Again, that must be your correct answer. Sum of the interior angles of a polygon. How many sides? 12 sides, sir. 2 into n minus 2 into 90. Sir, 180, 10, 1800 is the answer. Sir, ये भी कोई question था. This was a free hit question. This was your free hit question. ये भाई छक्का मार दो. They are saying कि please hit a 6 here. 2 items purchased equal cost price. Okay. Equal cost price means it's an easy question. First one, 36%. Percentage loss, overall profit of 8%. Achha, overall profit of 8% means total 16% profit, right? 1%, like each of them 8%, 8%, 8%, total 16%. On that, one particular product 36%. So second one must be sold at 20% loss. Why? Because you see 36% minus 20% only gives you 16%. So 20% loss has to be the answer, option C. You don't need calculations. Again, you don't need pen paper for this. You do not need pen paper to answer this question. Right? Next one, sir. Standard deviation variance. Sir, B, square root of B is A. Square root of B is A. अरे ये भी कोई क्वेश्चन था सर. Done. Variance square, positive square root of variance. Sorry. Positive square root of variance. SD is positive square root of variance. Always remember. Perfect. Moving on. Next one. 3 pipes. 50, 30, 25. Okay, sir. M, N, O. So time ratio given. So efficiency will be 1 by time. Sir, 5 fives, 5 six, 5 tens. Sir, 5 into 6, 30. Sir, 10 into 5, 50. And sir, 10. R, U and W. P, Q, R. P, Q, R. W and V, U. V, U. Okay. 75 and sir, 80 and 40. That is 120. 120 and 240 कैसे आ गया? अरे यार मैं क्या 12201, sir. So that is, so average is by 3. 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are this. Sir, average is this. Achha, average marks of all the students is 6 less than this. Achha, average marks of all these students will be 6 less. So that means it is 61. So sabka average will be this. So how many students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total will be, sir, into 8. 488 is the total marks. Okay, sir. Now add them. Sir, this I know 201. That I'm not getting, I'm not calculating again. Now remaining is this 90, 76, 33, 9, and sir 10, 19, 199. Achha, so that is 400. 400 is the total. 400. So if you subtract, so 88 remains. 88 means that is the sum of x and y. Both those are remaining. That's the answer. Sir, 88 option C is the correct answer. 88 option number C is most definitely your correct answer. Yes, yes, sir. A little calculation, not much. Irrational numbers they are asking. They are asking for irrational numbers. 8 into, this is 8 into 11, 88, plus 12, sir, 100, 10, 10, 16, sir, this is, sir, 4. A is 4, sir. Not an irrational number. So, not A. Acha, sir, again, this is 1.2 plus this is 1.344. So, this is also not irrational. B is also rational number. So none, option B is the correct answer. Both are rational numbers. Both are rational numbers, and a good question on rational irrational number. Good question. Good way to ask you a question on rational irrational. Achha. Last question. A ship is 72 from seashore and coming towards this. Achha, ship is coming towards downstream. Okay. Such that the speed of the ship in still water is this. Sir, x is given. Due to the heavy weight of the ship, the stream is only half its effect. Okay. Ship takes 4.5 minutes more to this. Okay. 72 kilometers. Usko आना है 56. And it is taking only half the effect because the ship is very heavy. So y effect it is taking is only y by 2 because of the heavy weight. So the 4.5 minutes more. It is only taking this effect, but again it should take this effect. Sorry, plus, extremely sorry, because both are downstream. So this difference is 4.5 minutes. That's your equation, sir. Now this will be a quadratic. Acha, I'll suggest don't use quadratic. Do not use quadratic. Put values from the options. If I put 8, acha, before I put 8 na, just use a little bit of calculation. 15 threes, 15 4. So 3 by 400. 72 also I can take common. Okay. So just do this. 72. This is equal to 3 by 40. 324. Now you put the value, sir. If I put 8 here, so 24 into, sir, 1 plus, sorry. 1 by 56 plus 4, that is 60, sir. Minus 1 by 56 plus this 64, sir. Right? 56 plus 8. That is equal to 1 divided by 40. 24 into, baapre. Sir, 4, if I take, so this is 15, this is 16. This is, sir, 1, 3, 5, 2, 8. 5 8s are 40. Sir, 8 is the correct answer. Mil ja raha hai, sir. 8 is the correct answer. First option means it 1 by 40, 1 by 40. It is, I'm lucky that I got the answer. Otherwise, the calculation would have been very big. You see, we just got the answer in the first go itself. This last question was calculative, definitely. But again, we were very lucky that we got our answer in the first go itself. 8 mein hi mil gaya. Otherwise, pura karna padta. Okay, now that was your mock. I felt the mock was not very difficult. Shaq, yes, absolutely. Shahrukh, yes, perfect. It's not very difficult, honestly. But again, a couple of questions were a little on the lengthier side. But again, most of the questions were pretty doable, without any issue. Without any issue, it was pretty much doable, right? Now, I hope you enjoyed the class, and I will again be back again with practice sessions this week itself. I'll be back with a little practice sessions for tier 2. trigonometry, the way we are doing, like we have done in the last week as well. Similar practice sessions I'll bring this week as well. So please do join me this week. So one more thing I wanted to convey, and again, thank you so much for joining me. And also, just another thing before I leave. Just another thing before I leave. If anybody is interested, so this particular batch is getting launched. The classes is about to start from tomorrow. The classes will be starting from tomorrow, that is 23rd of December. This is perfectly curated batch for your tier 2 preparation, the final hurdle. Okay, so again, if you want to know more about this, please do visit our app or the website. The complete practice course, the last minute. So these are the features of what you are going to get, 70 plus hours. And these are the, you see, you will get high, like the practice MCQs, the whole tests, the analysis kit, the live classes, the practice sessions, everything, all exclusive batch that will be launching for your for the final hurdle of tier 2. So again, if you're interested, please do visit and check it out. With that being said, thank you so much everyone for joining me, and I will again see you guys then tomorrow. Not tomorrow, again, I guess on Thursday. Till then, please take care. And if you have loved the content, loved the class, please do hit the like. And if you have any queries, any feedback at all, feel free to use the comment section. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.